Bowling pre-moisten. Once seated, the bowl will be washed immediately to avoid sticking, but a cleaning. After seated, click to start the rear washing. Mobile cleaning is acquiesced. Click to end mobile cleaning. Click again to move again. Feminine cleaning. Click to start feminine washing, also mobile cleaning, is acquiesced. Water temperature adjustment. Click to adjust water temperature cyclically from normal to 34, 37, 40. Water pressure adjustment. Press plus to increase water pressure by 1 level. There are total 5 gears. Press C to decrease. Nozzle self-cleaning. Turn the knob backwards when not seated to initiate the self-cleaning of wand, which would last for 80 seconds. Child mode washing. When pressing the children's cleaning mode, the water temperature, pressure, and air temperature are set at the lowest level automatically. Night light. Click to turn on or off the night light. Seat temperature adjustment. There are 4 levels that can be cyclically adjusted, from normal to 34, 37, and 40. Warm air drying. The blowing will stop after 3 minutes if you don't stop it. Air temperature adjustment. There are 4 levels to cyclically adjusted, from normal to 45, 50, 55.